What the heck is this plant in this little bag? This is a tissue culture plant. It's a plant that's growing in a lab, and now we have to bring it into the real world by a process called acclimation. I'm gonna show you guys how. The plant that we're gonna be acclimating today is gonna be called the Alocasia bambino aurea. So it's a variegated Alocasia bambino. Let's go ahead and get started. First things first, we're gonna open the bag. You can use scissors, and also keep in mind, please use like safety gloves before touching any of this stuff. I know I'm not doing it, but we recommend it for the normal viewers back at home. This is gonna be the Alocasia bambino aurea. We just pulled it out of the bag. Don't worry about this black stuff, that's just charcoal. It's just to keep the plants clean. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and wash it off in the sink here. And what is the objective of washing it off in the sink? We want to make sure that none of this gel is still on any part of the plant. That gel there is called agar, and you really don't want it on the plant when acclimating. Don't worry if some of the leaves or roots are a little mushy and just fall off. Just make sure you take off all the dead parts and remove that off the plant. So here we have a nice clean one. Next, you're gonna get one of these rapid rooting plugs and then just throw it in a pot of water or a bowl of water for 5 minutes. Make sure it gets nice and saturated. And then afterwards, you're gonna wanna cut a slit. You can use scissors to cut a slit, but for the purpose of time, I'm gonna do it with my hands. Okay, now that we got it here, you guys are gonna rinse off your little tissue culture plant one more time. Make sure there's no dirtiness on there. If you wanna be extra safe, you can use diluted hydrogen peroxide. This is 3% diluted hydrogen peroxide just to sanitize it one more time before going to the acclimation process. Afterwards, you literally just cover like the corm. Don't worry if there's no roots. All you really need is some type of base, and don't worry if there's not too many leaves or if a leaf falls off. That's completely normal. Afterwards, you just go like that, and now we're gonna put it into an acclimation dome. What I like to use are these little seedling domes, typically for starting seeds during springtime. You can even just use like a recycled deli or to-go cup container from a restaurant or convenience store, or you can have something lying around your house like a Starlight bin with a lid. That also works good. The whole idea and concept is that you want to keep it in 100% humidity for the first 10 to 14 days. So let's go ahead and get started. And all you gotta do, I love these seedling domes because they fit right in perfectly. That's all you gotta do. Keep it in there and leave it alone. Check on it every couple of days, make sure it doesn't go too dry. If it goes a little dry, then go ahead and give it some water, and then that's it. After about 10 to 14 days, you're gonna wanna start slowly acclimating it to the ambient environment in your household by opening the vent here. Now, if you have something like this that you have lying around your house, you could just crack open the lid for 15 minutes a day, air it out and put it back on. Or something like this, you could just pop a hole like this on top, and that should work as well. After you acclimate those to your ambient environment, you're gonna get something kind of like this. So these ones we're starting to acclimate outdoors. This is a variegated Monstera type constellation. So as you can see now, it's ready to go and grow to its new home. That's it, guys. So that's how you acclimate tissue cultures. Don't make it too hard. Don't make it too complicated. You might mess up 1, 2, 3 times. I for sure have messed up a handful of times before I kind of got the process down. So if you guys want to get your own tissue cultures, check out our live shows. We're going to be selling a lot of tissue culture plants on the Palm Tree app, maybe even on the Etsy app or even on the TikTok app. But for sure, we're going to hit hard and hit the ground running on the Palm Tree app. I hope to see you guys there.